AYANEO gaming phone is nearing the launch as this new hands-on video has popped up online. The device, which was announced last year, was supposed to launch earlier in 2026, was delayed because the company wanted to renew focus on improving shipping support and delivery timeline. That's what the company claimed when it issued a statement in mid-January that the phone launch has been pushed back. AYANEO has shown off the phone's design already with the public news. So far, though, no one has actually got hands-on time with this phone. The phone is reminiscent like old Sony Xperia Play and Motorola Droid. The two devices had a display which could slide upward to reveal things underneath. In terms of Droid, you get a full-size physical keyboard. For the Xperia Play, you'll get a set of control for the games. AYANEO Pocket Play, as it's officially called, leans more towards the latter, featuring touch-sensitive joysticks, D-pad, and action buttons. It even has physical triggers on top you can click inward. If your gaming phone is what you're looking for, this is what you can see. There are two things you need to know. One, it's not coming to the US or any other region. It'll be only available for China. It is available on Kickstarter for devices, so it could end up launching in other regions. The other thing is that the phone is majorly thick, so even if you buy it, you have to be prepared for a phone that's going to fatten your pockets, or make sure you have a bag you can toss it into. The hands-on video which came from PC World does not mention the price, which is understandable given that it's not available in the US. It's not going to be maintained by AYANEO. The phone is made by a company known as A Mobile that AYANEO partnered with to make this device.